Oh, it looks so good. Smells really good.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. As you probably know, Appa recently fell in love in making double boil soup mainly because of this terrible weather. I think we need to make more nice soup for the family. And all the soup I make is super easy. And I will roughly tell you what do we really mean by double boil later. Now let's take a look at the ingredient today. I have made some extra fried meatball yesterday, and I'm going to add it together with some Chinese cabbage and make it into a soup, and that is very, very nice. So first of all, I have a few pieces of ginger here. Then we have some Chinese cabbage. Ooh, Chinese cabbage is perfect for soup. Next thing, we shall put in the meatball, deep fried meatball. And let's give it some salt, few dashes of fish sauce, and then let's add in some filtered water. Oh, not enough. Continue. All right, and you want to leave some space, don't make it overflow. Next thing, cover this, and we can use your steamer or oven. So I will use the 炖汤, the built-in 炖汤 function here. 确认, do I need 45 minutes? Probably not. Let me adjust the time shorter a little bit, maybe to about 35. Anyway, 35 to 45 minutes, good enough. Let me adjust shorter a bit. It's reminding me to add the cover. Okay. It is basically using 160 degree. A mixture between steam and also baking. That is the beauty of a steamer oven or a combi oven. Now, if you don't have a steamer oven, you can use a steamer to steam it for approximately about 35 to 45 minutes. Or you can use an oven, use about 160 degree and bake it for probably about 45 minutes. All right, the soup is ready. Wow. Let's let the steam to release. Hot, hot, hot. So very carefully, we open the cover. It's going to be very hot. Oh, smells so good. Seriously, I didn't do much. The only work I probably did was put everything together and then throw it into the steamer. That's it. Oh, it looks so good. Smells really good. It's basically done. So here's my very simple meatball with Chinese cabbage double boil soup. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.